So this has been our dining section for quite some time, and I really loved it. Since we have a combined living cum dining area, I was very keen on the furniture and decor because I really wanted them to integrate and ensure we have a cohesive look. Let me attach a picture of the sitting area. This area has really served us well for quite some time. But along the way, something happened. Yes, the glass top broke. Lemonade time. Yes, let me serve some lemonade. This screams opportunity. Opportunity to play around with decor, switch things around, because if you know me, I love this. So who's going to be Bob the Builder? I will. So let's get started. And painting is the first step. I'm going for this black color. Actually, it's a matte black and I really love it. I will first start painting the table and then work on the chairs later. I'm using bin liners to protect the floor. I really enjoy DIY projects. I take it as a form of therapy, and the whole process, like from when you have that mental picture to the end product, is so amazing. Sometimes you nail it, sometimes you don't, and I think that's the beauty of any DIY project that you do. Now that we are done with the table, I'll paint the chairs off camera to save time. If I wasn't changing the broken glass top, I'd still be okay with this. I find it so beautiful. And finally, it's time to clean and decorate. This is a very simple setup. It's beautiful and very functional. We have like the basics there. That is coasters, toothpicks, serviettes.
I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming.